What happens to stocks in the first year of an American presidency? Which insurance companies could be on the hook for billions of dollars in damages caused by the LA wildfires? And if interest rates don't come down as much as the market had thought, what does that mean for the price of gold? Those are our market moves this week. Let's dive in. Let's start with the fallout from the wildfires in Los Angeles. Insurance providers are currently tallying up the costs, but according to data from Bloomberg and estimates from JP Morgan, this is already the costliest wildfire in U.S. history. Now, while publicly traded companies are not the largest insurers, they do have a sizable presence. Bloomberg, for example, notes that Chubb is an insurer of high-value homes, and Allstate, Travelers, and Hartford also have exposure. All of this unfolding as we await President-elect Donald Trump to take office. Now, if history is any guide, post-election year performance in the stock market can be all over the place. Bloomberg looked back at S&P 500 performance since 1953 and found that in 7 of 18 instances, the S&P rose 20% or more in the year, but there were 5 of 18 examples where the S&P 500 was down 10% or more. In the end, there were only 2 years where the market rose between 5 and 10% in the year following a presidential election. And finally, gold gained more than 25% last year, its biggest annual advance in more than a dozen years. Lower interest rates tend to help gold, which doesn't pay interest. However, recently there have been some indications from the U.S. Federal Reserve that it will cool on its interest rate cutting plans in 2025, an idea that was reinforced by a recently strong jobs report. But commodity analyst Kaynat Chainwala of Kotak Securities still sees plenty of support for the price of gold. Chainwala said in a note, despite the Fed's cautious tone, sustained buying by central banks and geopolitical uncertainties are expected to keep gold in focus as a preferred haven asset. And those are our market moves for this week. Thanks for watching. What market moves are you watching? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next investing video. See you next week.